Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you about problem when your iPhone not showing on your computer, so how you can fix it. So for fixing it, first thing you need to update your system. So just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find general. Just open general, just open software update, just wait until it will check for updates, and if you see here available update, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully download and install the latest updates for your iPhone. So I hope mostly it helps, and also you can try to update your laptop. So I don't know what system you have. If you have Windows, you need to try to update your Windows, and if you have Mac, just try to update your Mac. And also you can, if you're using Windows, you can try to update your iTunes to the latest version. And I hope and also if you're using not connected by Wi-Fi, you connected with your cable, charging cable, so you can also try to use another cable if you have it. So I hope that one of these methods will work for you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.